Good morning, children. Welcome to the first video. This is chapter 4 from your book Beehive. The name is A Truly Beautiful Mind. It's a biography of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is considered to be one of the rarest ever geniuses ever. He holds the record of having the highest IQ level. So let's find out how his life in a nutshell was. Now we begin with introducing the chapter. What should you expect from the chapter? A Truly Beautiful Mind is a brief biographical sketch of the great genius Albert Einstein. It gives the readers a glimpse into his early life and his contribution to the world of science. Einstein was a visionary who never went with the flow, but charted his own path once he knew that he was right. He was not afraid of being at odds with anyone, including his teachers. He was a strong man who stuck to his principles and ideas. We will go through certain conflicts that Einstein was involved with and how he held on to his point of view, which according to him was correct. Now, this conflict with his teachers, you will read more about it in your standard 11. There's a chapter named Einstein in School. The conflict with the teachers has been described over there in great detail. Here, we will just touch the topic and move on. Later, he was in conflict with the world leaders who were hungry for power. He also agitated and demonstrated against them. Moving on to the title, A Truly Beautiful Mind title. Why is the title Truly Beautiful Mind? Einstein was a visionary and one of the most recognized and well-known scientists of the century. He made immense contribution to the world of science by putting forward startling theories. As a human being, he preached peace and democracy. Thus, his mind was really beautiful and rich with new ideas and human concerns. This makes the title of the biographical piece, A Truly Beautiful Mind, very appropriate as it acknowledges Einstein's renowned scientific accomplishments and his humanitarian struggles to achieve peace and international cooperation. Talking about the theme of the biography, A Truly Beautiful Mind's theme. This brief sketch of the life and achievements of the great genius and visionary Albert Einstein reveals that great men are not necessarily noticed during early years. Einstein comes across as a fairly ordinary person who has his likes and dislikes, his streaks of rebellion and his problems. The author focuses only on two aspects of Einstein's personality, as a scientist and as a human being. Albert Einstein, the scientist, is best known for his path-breaking discoveries. Albert Einstein, the humanitarian, is known for his pacifism and political activism as he worked for peace and democracy in the world. Not only his country but throughout the world. His vision was so big. Let's move on to the message this small piece of biography is trying to provide. The life and achievements of the famous scientist Einstein gives us the message that a truly beautiful mind possesses not only vision but also makes sincere efforts to use the vision for well-being of mankind. Science should be solely devoted to the promotion of world peace and prosperity. If used for destructive purposes, the scientific inventions and discoveries can wreak havoc on humanity. The purpose of science, according to Einstein, was for peaceful use and prosperity of mankind, or the entire world in general. Now let's start the paragraph-wise explanation. Start with the first paragraph where it discusses about his birth. So Albert Einstein was born on March 14th, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. He had no signs of greatness. His mother thought he was freak. Freak as in weird or abnormal. The second paragraph shows how he was uncommon, how he was not like regular children. When he learned to speak, he spoke everything twice. Besides, he learned to speak late also, when he was 2.5 years old. He was boring for other children because he repeated everything twice. He played by himself much of the time. He loved mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister Maya, he asked where her wheels were. Right? So he was fairly different from the regular child. So we will restrict ourselves to this part. More paragraph explanation in the next video. Till then, all of you take care, stay safe and study hard. Goodbye.